This how to 1 minute will show you how to make a link in bio page in WordPress. To make a link in bio landing page in WordPress, first of all, we will install a plugin. To do that, hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here SeedProd and search for it. And this is the plugin we are looking for. So install and activate the SeedProd plugin. Once done, in this left-hand menu you will get SeedProd. Hover over on it and click on landing pages. And now click on add new landing page. And once you are in template page, here select lead squeeze. And under lead squeeze section, you will get this personal links option, and it's a free template. Now click on it to edit it. Now I'm going to rename this landing page link in bio, and this will be your page link. Now click on save and start editing the page. And you will jump into the editing page. Here, first of all, let's delete all of this content or block. Just hover over on the block and click on delete to block everything. Okay, now we'll add an image here first. So here's I'm going to dragging the image block and adding it here and clicking on image block. And now click on choose your own image. And now select a photo from your media library, or you can upload a photo from your computer by clicking upload files. Once the image uploaded, select the image block, and here you can change the image width and height. You can change the image alignment, and here you can paste a link for the image. So I'm going to pasting here my WordPress website link. And now click on this button and click on template, and you can choose a button style from this list. I'm going to selecting this button. Once the button added, again click on the button, and now go to content section, and here you can change the button text and scroll down. You can add a button subtext here. You can change the button link. You can change the button size. To change button icon, click on icons. First of all, remove the icon and click on choose icon. And now you will be able to easily choose any icon for the button. Now let's delete this button block. And now let's duplicate this button. Now selecting the second button, and I'm going to edit this button. And you can change the button link here. Once done, click on save. And now I'm going to opening my website, and here we can see the final preview. This is how we can make a link in bio website. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.